Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this special video for a person. Rock, I'm making this video for you. You keep sending me email with questions and I'm answering in my videos, but I think my answers are not in detail or good enough for you. So I decided to make this video so you can understand everything clearly, because typing and trying to make understand, it's very hard for me. I can talk better. So first, you're saying that if you subscribe, you're gonna get what you're gonna get, or if you're gonna get the signals. Now, if you thinking of a signal like in term of buy now, sell now, no, I don't do that. Why? Because it brings a lot of responsibilities and liabilities. Okay. People can sue you, right? Unless I am someone that nobody can find me, but I am in the market, I am open to everyone and everybody knows where I am and they can come and sue me, right? So that happens to a lot of people already. Now, some people, they do give signals, but you can't find them. Okay. There's no way you can find them. So that's what it is. Yeah. But I do have like a Telegram, right? This is the Telegram channel I have. And I post here like Geo long and GJ making a long setup, keep, heads up, right? I'm telling you that GJ is making a long setup. 90% of the time, when I'm saying something here about the setup, I'm taking it as well. But I'm not gonna say that you go and buy it, because then I'm liable that, oh, you said it, right? I lost $2,000. You now you got to pay me. No, I don't do that. All right. So that's one of the answer of one of your question. The second is, what you're going to get is that I give you the EA. I explain the setup, the videos, and then the EA, the alarm that gives the alarm when the EA is, when the setup is there. And then you can pull the trigger once you learn. Yes, you said it right. I teach you how to use this strategy, this system. What the heck is this system? All right, let me just explain it to you quickly. This is the chart. This is my analysis, right? My system is backed by the analysis. If you don't have the analysis, no, it's going to be very hard, right? You can make it, but it's going to be hard. So now, this is the chart I made on the 28 yen index. And it says, this will take all yen pairs to the upside. So now, am I looking for a short? No, obviously long, right? So what happened? Let me put, and then I posted here the chart and everything as well, I guess. Or in fact, I gave it to my subscriber and I send out the chart in the email and then explain it to my, in my webinar. See this right here? Yeah, that's what it is. Not the yellow mark, but yeah, that's what it is, the yellow index chart. So now let me show you what happened, that after that, of the 28th, right? This is on the 30th. We got an entry on GJ. I was expecting that, right? And the system is that I have to have 4 conditions meet. What are those conditions? First, the yellow is about the adjacent black, the thin black line. This indicates all the way down. Price is making a higher low, and blue candle turns red, and I open the trade. So I had my first trade was this, and you can see that I said never got hit. The second one here never got hit. The third one here never got hit. 3 days in a row on a 30th. This is on the 31st. This is I just closed today. All right. Now here you can see that this little wobble here, I didn't take the trade, but let's say if you take this one because the entry was there, right? So you lose what, 25 pip here? Now, how much is it? 70 here, and so 65, 65, 65. Almost 190 pip minus the 25. You get the math, right? Now, this is the only GJ. Let me show you something else. UJ, right? This entry went up. There is no other entry here, right? This entry went in the first chart. Then the second here, same thing here, right? This one, I didn't, my SL was not hit, but let's say, the price dropped a little bit here and take out my SL, so I lose 25. So 70 here, minus the 25, and then almost 75 here. You do the math. Okay, so why I'm gonna be, like wasting my time showing that, oh, this is what happened and I lost 25 pips. As it is, I don't have time for, for whatever I'm doing. I get too tired. Now, this is Aussie yen, first entry. You can see SL never got hit. This is the entry. You can see this. This indicator has to be all the way down to make an entry. There is no entry here. This is not a long entry. Price is below the wave. So this indicator is down, but this is no, right? Yellow has to be above the black. It's right there. And this indicator is all the way down. The first entry went up. The second went up for profit. You got the idea. Now, once in a while, what happened? Let me show it to you. For example, GU, right? Let me go back here. On a Telegram, I said on the 26th, right? So okay. Now, see, on the 26th, I said GU long. That doesn't mean that this was no, it was this. Okay, it was this one. There was no long here, and this was not a long, right? So with the price, the yellow went above the black. So now this is the first long. So I said, okay, GU long means take it, it's up to you, take it or not. But there, the long setup is there. That's what I'm saying, right? And I took it. The price went up, it came down, and went up, and I moved just as soon as this last high or last low taken out, I moved my SL, right? So my SL was here and the price came down, boom, my SL is gone at break even. I didn't lose, I didn't make anything. So I don't bother, showing that, right? After that, another entry. And then my analysis was that USD gonna get weaker, right? And you saw the charts, it's all over the place. That I made the weekly chart that USD is gonna drop big time. It's gonna get weaker. And Euro USD, Pound USD is supposed to go up. So they were going up. I took this one again, 70 pips. So I didn't lose anything here. And I made 70. Now let me show you what is happening currently. Okay, currently. Okay, here. Now this is Pound Aussie. And you can see this is the current chart. It is not a picture. I didn't record it yet. I did, but I'm showing you that this was my entry here. And this is, it was said here on EA and GA both making short setups on the 30th, the next today. This was my entry on the 31st, on the 30th, sorry, right? This is the EA, and where the heck it go? Let me show you where, okay, here. No, this is GA and this is EA, it's still running. See that? It's running. 125 pip, GA, 150 pips so far, keep going down. Why it is like that? Okay, let me show you this here. Why I'm not closing it? Why, I'm still holding on even on 150 pips. The first, when I made the entry, it came down and went up and I was like, 30 pips. I said, I sit on a break even if my SL hit is fine. If not, no, well, I'll take my chances. I'm not gonna close the trade on 30, 40 pips, right? So I let it go. And then slowly it came down and boom, it dropped now. But these pairs like Euro Aussie, Pound yen, they have big daily range. You see this indicator? It tells you average 60-day range is 163 pip. Means that this pair every single day moves from top to bottom, 163 pip. So right now, current day range is 133. I still have 30 pip to go. Why would I close the trade? Right? Now, this was today. See this white dotted line? This is today. This is yesterday, and this is this is the day before yesterday, right? So it's 30. This is 31st. I didn't get enough, so I said, okay, I'm gonna hold it and see what happens, right? Worst come to worst, I will get out of the trade with no loss, no gain. But luckily, the day started here, June 1st. It didn't go up, so it has to do 160 pip to the downside, right? It has to do it. So previous day, you see this here? It's 81. This is sometimes, if it's ranging or whatever, it is still doing 81, right? So these pairs, they move big. And now I'm gonna close it at this is keep going, keep dropping. I'm gonna close it now in front of you so you understand what it is. But no, I'm gonna record it again. It's probably like 160 pip now, and then I'll close. So you hopefully you got the idea of what it is. And even Bitcoin, you see this Bitcoin, this entry here, beautiful entry, and gone. Buy, order here, right? And this chart so far, I said if it's gonna go up, that's gonna happen. So I have so many trades, like 6 or 7 yen pairs trade. This is what the heck is that? Oh, this is the broker here. So this, what happened to this chart so far? This, see that? Went up and it took all the yen pairs to the upside. But I showed you step by step on each and every trade that I'm taking, and you know that there is no if you take the right setup, there is no SL hit. So where do I show the losers? And even if something like this, it's not worth showing and making all this chart just to show you that, oh, I lost 25 pip. What the heck? I don't want to do it. I don't want to waste anybody's time. I'm showing that what you can do with this. This is the first, this is, you see this date here on the 30th. And I made this chart and I said it, this is what's going to happen. All yen pairs. I traded 3 yen pairs. I could have traded like New Z, CAD, and Euro yen, CAD yen, New Z yen. You have entries all over the place. But I was watching Aussie yen, USD yen, and pound yen. And I took like 3 trade in pound, 2 in USD yen, and 2 in Aussie yen. Enough. So far, from Monday to today's Wednesday, bro. Right? And then again, all of the other trades, like this one, you see that? It's keep going. This damn thing is keep going. Why? I know why it is like that. It is because the Aussie strength. See, Aussie, it's on both sides, on both pairs. Aussie on the right hand side, Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie. Pound is getting strong. Let me show you the chart if I can. Where the heck the chart is? No, I gotta, let me see. The chart has to be new charts and templates, index charts, Aussie weekly chart. Look, on the 28th, I said this is gonna go up. When Aussie is going up, Aussie getting strong. Aussie index, by the way. So Aussie index is getting strong. So Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, they both have Aussie on the right hand side. They're gonna drop, and it is going up right now. I can show you that. This is the Bitcoin. See, I had this that is gonna go up, and it's going up. I had a nice trade, but let me quickly show you the Aussie index that it is going up or not. You will see yourself. On the 28th, by the way, it's like Saturday, right? So I said Saturday, so look, this is what's happening. This is my weekly chart. You see that? I said it's gonna go up, and now it's powerfully going to the upside. So now you go and see Aussie USD probably going up big time, and Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie went down, right? But Aussie USD will be going up, and Aussie yen, I just showed you I had beautiful trades, long trades, right? Let me show you Aussie USD going up. I didn't take the trade, but I guarantee you that it's going up because of this. Let me show you who the heck is Aussie USD. Aussie USD right here. So this is how, look at that. You see that? Beautifully. And this is on the 20th. I made the chart. And I said, must stay above 71.48. 71.48 is what? 71.48 is right there. Right now we are doing what? 72.21. You see that? So this is how this system works. If you keep asking me that, okay, why now you know that why I don't show, because there is none. And there are few. And I just don't think that it's worth. And I explained so many times, this is how it is. My setup requires a 25 pip SL, 25 pip hard. See this? After I open a trade, once I have like a reversal candle and one red candle, open a trade right here, SL is right here. That's what this is. For example, here, I would open a trade here. I'll put my SL here. If it goes up and hit, thank you very much. See this? This is The entry here and SL here, never got hit. Entry here, SL here, never got hit. Entry here, SL is here, never got hit. So now I hope you understand. This is what it is. So I give you, if you sign up, then I give you like one the indicators, the EA to no, like, oh, okay. Another question was that 40 and 20 minute. Yes, the indicator that I'm going to give you, these are called Renko charts, Renko candles. And you need a special indicator to draw these. So I not only give you the indicator, but a video showing how to open these charts. And still, if you have a problem, then I go on Zoom and help you out. Okay, so you set up these charts and then you watch only the one that I tell you in the webinar. So today I have webinar at 4 o'clock. So I'm going to go over with my, subscribers and say that, okay, this is what happened. This yen supposed to go up. It did already, right? Let me go yen on the yen index. Where the heck is go? Now I'm going to show you the current yen index, what the heck is doing. And what was my chart? I just showed you what was my chart. My chart was this. It's going to go up, right? So far, it has done this. So it is right there. See that? And that's why all of those 6-7 trades that I had in pound yen, USD yen, Aussie yen. And in fact, if you look at all of those, look here, Aussie yen, from May 30, this much it went. CAD yen, from May 30, right there. These are, weekly separators, right? The black dotted line. So week started here, 530. Look at that, how much you went, how much you could have made on CAD yen, because CAD is all very strong. I missed it, stupid me, but I have no complaint. I have enough. Franc yen, week started here, and so far Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, this much. Euro yen, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days, this much. Pound yen, this is, I have 3 trades here, from here to here. I just showed you. USD yen, from here, 530 here. New Zealand yen, every single yen pair went up, just like I said on my chart right here. This will take all yen pairs to the upside. It went from here to here, and this is what happened. Right there, you can see from here, it went up here. Now I hope you understand my point of view, my system. Okay, I never explained this in this detail to anyone. But and even if you still don't, if you're not comfortable, then don't get involved, to be honest with you. But you must learn, you must understand and learn. And another question was that how easy or how hard was something like that, this strategy is. So you need to ask this question, not to me, to yourself. I'm doing it, a lot of people are doing it. Now, how much learning power you have? There are things that one can learn very easily, but others cannot. So it's up to you. You know better yourself that how much you can learn and how much learning ability you have. But I'm showing you trades which are done, taken using this setup. Nothing random. You will always see my trade taken by the setup. 4 conditions. Yellow has to be above the black. This indicates all the way down. Must have a higher low, and red candle turns blue, and I open the trade. 4 conditions. All right. So hope I explained myself good now. So I gotta go, and good luck. That's all I can say.